Friends song tak nai nilai Tripura job ni kaisa notification katal sok paipimani Society for Entrepreneurship Development SOFET ni bono short form roi hongo SOFET inke notification katal sok paipimani omong ke 4 tarik November release mani tabo bono nai nilai supervisor post ni correction ajane ni rokom na thangai apply khaigani thangha kini rok tomo ma khainai hike offline no thangai morok form submit ma khainai boro jaga submit ma khainai hike friends Indranagar ni amo SOFET ni hike boni address hike ITI road Indranagar Agartala or jaga thangai submit ma khainai ta hike qualification busuk nangai last date pro busuk hike tangnai nilene applications are invited from the eligible candidate permanently resident in Tripura for the post mentioned below for placing under employing department agencies. Ini rok Tripura ni tongga ni nang go haita oron apply kagani ke. Engke supervisor ni post ni ko koroksa engke essential qualification busuk nang nai engke master degree in any stream from recognized university. Niro master degree nagai pore ja kungke niro apply khai mana ya jaga apana niro ni computer knowledge tonga ni nang at least 1 year jora bagaita engke salary gross salary manai per month gross remuneration fixed power engke bone 20,000 ke manai age limit engke 18 is 40 years ora revenue department ong naita ke operator ong ke ta waktu makam pusuk korok pusuk na kana vacancy ke UR ni ko soijona joto nai black no ke SC ni ko ke korok tha ST ni ko korok sa bai ke naza naita ke essential qualification pusuk na ke graduate in any stream from a recognized university physics chemistry mathematics bong kini ni 12 ni go nang naita nini bo subject bong ha kini rok apply khai manai inke beton manai 17000 ne 17143 inke ataran siming 40 years or pogori revenue department ane inke te kaisa center administrator women bore ni bagi koroksa inke ko qualification nang nai master degree 5-year experience nangai ke salary manai 26,800 40 years ora DM office ono kotini alsanga ko makhani ta posting nai engke case worker women tekesha you are ni go korok nai ST ni go koroksa engke experience qualification nangai engke degree law master degree for janga law pore ge engke niro apply ke mane 3 years 3 years experience nangai violence against women issue in a administrative setup with government of non-government bo hago nyone experience kai jatong hangke niro apply kai manai inge salary manai 17000 katro amo ko buni age no to test niro no sagani nanglia inge DM office no makhane uno kutini inge IT staff hangke korong nai vacancy total korok thang hata ST so inke graduate nangnai 1 bosor diploma computer certificate nangnai ke nirok apply ke manai inke 3 bosor data management processing documentation and web based ke reporting format video conferencing in either level of state district non-governmental IT based organization. Wah ini rok experience tong hangke bu apply kema uta tang ni rok dokumen mo goseng mai kaya ni rok hangke 3 bosor. Apa ni rok apply kema qualification ni pakai qualification te ini graduate hingke ni rok apply kema ni computer certificate tong hangke 20000 beton manai 385 rupees manai. Hingke DM office uno koti go na muni posting ke counselor women yoro koroksa na janai essential qualification ke post graduate nangai ke teman itu ke social work ke clinical psychology from a recognized university ke ne apply ke mana ke 15000 beton manai ke DM office no manai ke te kaisa micro microbiologics hingke khoroksa boni qualification anai MSc M Pharma MD bohairok porijang hingke nirok apply kaimanai hingke salary mane 32,068 rupees hingke bor jaga nai office hingke drug controller officer makai hingke 8 number hingke tabo media maker rok khoroksa najanai qualification anai BSc B Pharma BLMP with microbiology as one of the subject from a recognized university hingke nirok apply kaimanai ngani kaisa subject najang hingke microbiology ni hingke nirok apply kaimanai da BSc porijak hingke salary manai 16,000 hingke bobo drug controller officer makai boni posting hingke data entry ni hingke khorok 4 jon ayu aro hingke ST ni khorok nei SC ni khoroksa hingke bachelor degree in a field from a recognized university with 1 year TCA in software hardware and networking borok ni nirok tong hangke nirok apply kaimanai field hingke 16,142 manai hingke bobo drug controller officer hingke lab attendant hangke kusung nangnai hingke boni post no different khorok io aro khorok pre gas tini khoroksa SC ni khoroksa hingke 12 pass sangjak hingke nirok apply kaimanai chemistry biology subject hingke 12,000 beton manai hingke bobo drug controller ne nirok makai ta office bon hingke term and condition ko nainai lenai tabo the selected candidate will be appointed on purely contractual basis for a term on 11 months or boni hingke 11 mas ni bagai nirok najangnai contract basis ke hingke may extend or performance nirok ni performance ka hangla hangke bare oi phano mau bahaita the selected candidates will come under agreement as per the norms with the software. The candidate shall be selected through written examination or interview. Ini interview by written interview bu, ke te written exam bu naik kan, ke baik ke orang jaga makanya hanya sendiri selection orang baik kan, berok makanya selection kene ke orang maronai berono payment procedure for paying the application fee maronai demand draft mata nai hingke bahagia tanah hingke favor of society for entrepreneurship development for or jagat 200 taka maronai hingke orang account number or tonggo or jaga bank othangi ni demand draft thangai maronai ta boni account number or jaga FC code yara jaga thangai maro or jaga ni jefa bank on thangai or maronai ta hingke boni pore ke da or jaga ki robai pay mani pore ITI ko thangai application shall be received at the office of the member secretary software ITI road Indranagar Agartala 799006 or jaga ko thangai maronai 4:10 nisim 4 jora broni office time thangai 19 tarik jora boni last date hingke 19 tarik jora November 19 tarik hingke omongke boni form omno print out khai ni ro maronai difference oni ro anin description link roja tongor jaka ni form na gani hingke or jaka click khai form no download khai print out khai ni rokom no fill up khai rolai dita tama post ni ro ronai bo haike thange or jaka prayer for the post of hingke ni roni post number suidi nang tamano apply khai bo haike or jaka maronai ta hingke bon pore ni baban bo ni mamon bo or pura details of suibe ki rosita hingke amno tung purana makhane xerox amu kaisa hingke kaini page ngai ta friends hingke no office thangai rolai di Indranagar Agartala ITI road hingke friends ang asu jarate ne hingke ni rogani channel subscribe khai ko total ko hingke subscribe khai tono de ke notification te bini ono roi tamagani bage channel ko si wi tongo apply khai mana bage hingke friends asu jarate ne chotron hambai